If you want to know if LeanBiome really works, this video is for you. Because today I will tell you all the information you need to know before buying this supplement. Hi guys, my name is Olivia and today I'm here to tell you all about LeanBiome, so pay close attention to the video because I also have some very important warnings about this supplement. The first warning I have to say is that you need to be very careful with the site that you will buy this supplement because LeanBiome is only sold on the official site, so avoid buying on any other site to not fall into fraud. To help you, I left the official site link here below in the description of this video. After all, what is LeanBiome and does it really work? The answer is yes. LeanBiome was created after many scientific studies and laboratory tests. Experts have discovered that the real cause of weight gain is associated with the type of gut microbiome you have. So people who are thin have the intestinal microbiome called naturally thin, i.e. they have several species of thin bacteria. And people who are overweight have fatty species of bacteria in the gut microbiome. So LeanBiome came to solve this problem, because the formula of this supplement brings together 9 clinically researched species of lean bacteria, which will reverse this imbalance of bacteria in your gut microbiome. The main benefits of Tomar LeanBiome supplement is that it reduces fat storage, speeds up metabolism, decreases hunger and cravings. So you can really trust this supplement, because it has been manufactured in a laboratory in the USA under the strictest safety and quality standards, so it is a very safe supplement that causes no side effects. It is made without gluten, lactose, and sugar. Thousands of people are using LeanBiome and are succeeding in becoming naturally thin, and you can too. But to get results with this supplement, you need to do the right treatment without fail. So, you should take every day only 1 capsule with a glass of water and preferably before breakfast or before bedtime. Doing this correct treatment, you will start seeing results already in the first month of use. But of course this may vary because each person reacts in a different and unique way, so some may lose weight quickly and others may take a little longer. Experts recommend that you use LeanBiome for at least 3 months to get the best results. Another important thing you need to know is that when you buy LeanBiome, you are covered by a 180-day satisfaction guarantee. So you can actually test the supplement to see the results, and if for any reason you are not satisfied or find that it is not working, you can ask for your money back without any complications. So, I decided to record this video to tell you to be careful with the website where you will buy LeanBiome and to give you all the information you need to know about this supplement. Remember that if you start your treatment with LeanBiome, you must make the correct use to get the best results. Well, I hope I helped you with this video, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment below.